Today on the advice column, we're going to be talking about working towards independence. So I've heard a lot of teachers say that my students are so needy, and I just want them to be able to work by themselves for a little bit while I'm helping another group. And so here are some ed tech tools that can help you maybe accomplish that goal. The first one is called Mote. Mote is a great tool that you can use to record your voice. This template is for students, but feel free if you need help downloading the extension. An extension is up here. It kind of does superpowers for your Chrome browser. Here is the video for you and your students on how to add Mote. And once they have Mote, you'll see this symbol right here. You can record your voice. So I can read directions to my students, especially students that might have a hard time reading. They can use this tool and they can listen to your voice. So you click the purple, you record your voice, and then once you record your voice, your students can listen to it. And again, everything is signed in with Google, and your students will just go in and create an account as well. And so that right there is Mote. So I'm recording my voice, hitting the check mark, and then I can insert it. Once you insert it, your students again will be able to listen to your directions by clicking the play button on this extension. So there it is. There's the purple Mote, and they just hit that play button. So that could be one option. Another option that you could do is you could use YouTube. So YouTube is a great way to upload your videos because I know with Google Drive changing some of their storage, we will have to kind of watch for that. So YouTube is a great place to add your videos. It also has a ton of accessibility features as well. So you can do closed captions, students can change the playback speed. You could even upload these videos to Edpuzzle. And so if I go ahead and
Oh,
hit
this
play,
student is really
this right here goes over how to kind of create videos, and it also talks about uploading videos into YouTube. So if you click this resource, you are able to learn more about YouTube, how to create videos using Screencastify, and then how to take your videos and upload those to YouTube, and then how you can add like timestamps and all these other features to really help your students and how to make your videos interactive. Another idea is using Read and Write. So Read and Write for Google is a Chrome extension. It's up here and again up here in your Chrome box. It is the purple puzzle piece. So if I go to Read and Write, I have to turn mine on, and there it is. You click it, and I might have to refresh my page, and the little bar pops up. So let's go here. And then it will read aloud the page, the website for students. Which can be really, again, helpful if your students are having issues with um, reading something on the web or whatever they need to do. They can click that little puzzle piece, and then that toolbar pops open so that way they are able to continue their learning. And so right here is a video on how to use that toolbar. You can see the toolbar up here. And again, students are able to listen to this article being read. They can go in, they can use the screen masker, they can use all of these different tools to really help them. They can also highlight and collect all of their highlights for research, which can again be really helpful as students are completing different research projects. It can even create a vocab chart. So many fun tools with Read and Write that again, it can help your students be more independent learners. And then finally, accessibility. There are so many different accessibilities, and I did a whole session on this with how you can use different Google products to ensure that you are providing accessibility. So, for example, using the shortcut Control F, and students can quickly find things in documents. There are so many different ideas in this video. Again, how we can teach our students to use some of these accessibility features so that, again, they can be independent learners and they don't always need you to sit next to them to kind of help them. So check all of these ideas out. If you have additional ideas, there's a Google form right here, and you'll just put your email address, your name, working towards independence, and what advice you have. Can't wait to hear your ideas. And if you would like to co-teach or like me to come in and model some of these, happy to do so. Just send me a email or send me a Google chat message.